Hi, welcome to the TILA Teacher Guides. This is Unit 6, which deals with ethical issues that may arise when your students are online. Let's start by describing the different risks that may arise. They're usually divided up into three categories. The first one being content risks, so those that involve the child as a recipient. Contact risks refer to the students being contacted by an adult. And finally, conduct risks refer to those in which the child is an actor in a peer-to-peer context. So it's very important to be aware of all these, but according to experts, it's also essential to remember that risk doesn't always mean harm, and also that we must educate our children and we must help them develop their capacity to cope. This is crucial. So what can we do about it when risks do arise, when problems do arise? So there are different types of mediation. We can use active mediation, educating the children, raising their awareness about what to do in certain situations. We can use restrictive mediation, setting up rules about what they can or they cannot do. We can monitor them. We can check what they have been up to when they're online. And we can use different pieces of software to block access to certain websites. This would be technical mediation. However, going back to the point that we mentioned about educating students, this is the policy that most of the organizations that are concerned with these issues prefer to focus on. So, for example, the SaferInternet.org organization published a Rights and Responsibilities Charter that was designed and addressed to the students themselves, so that they are aware and they know what is normal and what isn't when they are online, how they should feel when they should react and contact an adult if anything upsetting happens. And they also include ways in which this could be discussed in class, conversation starter ideas that we can see here on the screen, and how to go about discussing all this with them. There are other campaigns, like the one launched by the UK Council for Child Internet Safety. This was very successful, and it is very visually attractive for the students. And their logo is zip it, block it, flag it. So basically, they're telling the students to keep their personal stuff private with strong passwords, to always be mindful about what they say and what they do when they're online. Block it, so blocking people and messages that may be unwanted, so that they feel safe. And flag it, always let an adult know when something upsetting happens, when they're not at ease and comfortable with anything that has happened lately on the internet. So this is in a nutshell what we need to be aware of when our students are online, supervised or unsupervised by us. And we have referred to organizations mainly from the UK, but every European country at least will have similar organizations that will have devised campaigns, materials, etc. that can be used for your own purposes. Here is a bibliography in case anyone would like to go any further, and we hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much.